Hey beautiful people, I'm back with my Nigerian wedding vlog again, so stay back and watch till the end. Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Buzo and I'm back as promised with another juicy Nigerian wedding vlog. As much as this didn't turn out the way I planned it to be, I felt like I should share it, at least put it out there. So at least you see a little bit of the behind the scenes, what happens, what goes on before the wedding and everything. At least if you're doing your own tomorrow, you know what to expect, how to go about it, and if you have anything, any suggestion, you can let us know in the comment section. I promise to update your so this particular wedding was on the mainland and it took us about more than 2 hours to get there because there was a little bit of hold up and the place is actually far. So here is our beautiful bride. She's one of the most stressless brides I've ever had. Very calm, very gentle, kind, and beautiful. For some reason, I couldn't get full videos, complete videos of me doing her hair and everything because we were almost running late, or we thought we were running late. So here is her after the makeup and everything. At this point, we're trying to get her ready because her first look is gilly. No, all her look was gilly, but I was able to get just the first one.
Beautiful bride. You don't wear earrings. No. Calm down like this. This is my friend, Akudo and Betsy. What did you say? Who did you say? Yeah, turn your face this way. My boyfriend. Yes. My boyfriend, look at me. Yes, stylishly. Just be shaking your waist. Turn round. Yeah, turn round. Keep turning. Keep turning. Yeah, keep turning. Keep turning. Yeah, flat down. Oh, yeah, keep turning.
So just when we thought we were done, the photographers had to keep her to get some pictures because after this, if you don't get pictures immediately after your makeup, you might not get better pictures because the stress from greeting the in-laws, stress from every distraction and everything. So we had to get pictures with her sibling. This is her brother and her friends. Here is the main place for the event. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I am pleased to have you here. And if this is the kind of content you are interested in, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to notify you on our next and subsequent videos. And don't forget to like and share this video to your family and friends. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you very much. You're doing the Lord's work. And you know how we do it here. So sit back and relax. So this look was mainly for her to come out and greet her in-laws, her guests, and everyone else. So we couldn't wait because we had another job to attend to. Couldn't wait for her to. We couldn't wait to capture her at the scene with this look where she performed her other rites and all that. Here is her in her second look. Very beautiful, very calm, very mindful. Is this so obvious? I'm trying not to say very demure right now. So she is one of the brides I've seen with black, and it's really, really stunning. Very beautiful. Because she booked for her white and trad, we had to. The trad wasn't on a consecutive day. It wasn't the next day, it was 2 days later. So we had to, journey back to the mainland because it's a different location, not the same location. Journey back to the mainland, same distance, but different, isn't it? Different area on the mainland.
It's fine.
And here we are getting her ready for the white wedding. I really, really couldn't get everything, but I'll try as much as I can to put together the clips I got from them. And this is Ella, our gorgeous makeup artist. You can find her on Instagram as Els Visage. Instagram, TikTok, she's there and she's ready to take your bookings. So because I couldn't get everything, I'm going to be attaching the videos and then making them putting them on landscape, and also attaching another one of the full outfit. Yeah, just like this. So I'm so sorry. I couldn't get to the hall to get video of the hall. Just like before, we had another job that we had to get to, couldn't stay behind. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.